How to sell Ethereum on your Binance app and add it to your main balance. So if I go my balance, as you can see, I have $57 Ethereum 0.02. So I want to sell it. So to sell it, you go to your trade. Now go to a spot. Now select your Ether. If you don't see the Ether option, then here you can see the Ether. By default it's showing like that. You have to select sell option. Now as you can see, it's showing now market means it's stand sell. So I have to sell it instantly, or you can stop limit, or you can see a lot of option, but I want to sell it instantly. Now enter your amount, or if you want to sold all amount, then simply drag and drop. Then as you can see, my total amount is selected. Now press on sell amount, and order is created. Now if I go back to my balance and if I reload my page, as you can see, my Ether is gone now 0.00. That's mean my Ethereum is sold. But as you can see 0.0005, but you can convert this also. Go to trade, then convert and select Ether and USDT. But this is the very small amount, that's mean you don't able to convert it. So that's it. This is how you can easily sell it. Thank you. Thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.